Number 1. 1994 Ford F150, price $9,000. It is powered by a strong 6-cylinder engine and paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a smooth and engaging driving experience. With 190,000 miles on the odometer, this rear-wheel drive truck still performs well and carries its age with pride. The exterior has been refreshed with new paint, giving it a bright and appealing finish, while brand new bumpers enhance its overall look. It has also been fitted with a new dual fuel sender switch, ensuring reliability in everyday use. Most of the important restoration work has already been completed, so the truck is essentially ready to go, with only minor details such as the horn that may need attention. Taken together, these updates make it a solid example of a well-kept F-150, and the pictures speak clearly to its condition and appeal. Number 2. 1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000, with 175,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a reliable 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a fresh blue paint job, the truck also features a matching blue interior that complements its classic style. It runs on gasoline and has been fitted with new AC components, ensuring the system works great for comfortable driving. Sitting on 20-inch American wheels, the truck not only looks sharp but also drives smoothly. Although it carries a reconstructed title, it remains a solid driver and presents well overall. Additionally, a brand new set of drop spindles can be included in the deal, making the Sierra 1500 a great option for anyone looking for a clean, well-kept classic truck with modern touches. Number 3. 1999 Chevrolet S10, price $5,500. It has been well cared for and is still going strong with 143,000 miles on the odometer. It comes finished in a bold red exterior paired with a clean black interior, giving it a sharp and timeless look. Under the hood, it is powered by a reliable 2.2L 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a simple yet dependable driving experience. This S10 has proven its roadworthiness, as it runs, drives, and stops great, with no warning light showing on the dash. Recently, a new starter was installed just 2,000 miles ago, adding peace of mind for the next owner. The truck also features a durable bedliner, crank windows, and a modern JVC doubled-in Bluetooth radio for upgraded convenience. While the air conditioning system currently needs a recharge, all other essential functions are in good order. Structurally, the truck remains solid with no rust issues apart from some minor bubbling on the box side. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. This truck shows 239,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it carries the dependable 5.7L V8 engine with 4WD, delivering both strength and versatility whether on the road or off it. Despite its mileage, the truck runs, drives, and stops great, proving its reliability over the years. The sharp red exterior is complemented by a clean gray interior that remains in beautiful condition, highlighting how well the vehicle has been cared for. The tires are in solid shape, the paint presents nicely with no signs of rust, and the overall body retains a crisp, classic look. For those seeking a rugged yet well-preserved pickup, this Chevrolet 1500 offers both performance and timeless appeal. Number 5. 1999 Ford F250, price $9,499. The pickup is a rugged and dependable truck that has proven its strength over the years. Powered by the legendary 7.3L Powerstroke diesel engine, it has covered 281,000 miles and still runs beautifully. This F250 comes equipped with an automatic transmission and 4x4 capability, making it a reliable choice for both work and everyday use. With its striking red exterior paired with a gray interior, it carries the classic look of a hard-working truck. Originally a farmer's truck, it spent its entire life in Big Sky Country, Montana, meaning it has always been a true Western truck. Despite its age and mileage, the vehicle remains clean, well-kept, and mechanically strong, showcasing the durability and reputation of Ford's Super Duty line. Number 6. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This is a very clean long bed pickup with 165,000 miles on it. Powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine that runs like new, it is paired with an automatic transmission for smooth driving. The truck comes in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, and it runs on gasoline. Both the heat and air conditioning are fully functional, making it comfortable year-round. The truck has been fitted with brand new wheels and tires that have never been driven on, and it also comes with plenty of extra parts, including a set of bucket seats with a console, a brand new grille still waiting to be installed, and additional door panels. Overall, this Chevy 1500 is a well-kept example of a late 80s classic that offers both originality and upgrades, ready for its next owner. Number 7. 1972 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000, finished in a bright yellow exterior. This pickup is powered by its original 350 engine paired with the factory turbo 350 automatic transmission and rear end, all of which remain intact. It even retains the original carburetor, though it will need to be rebuilt or replaced. The truck runs well overall and has been slightly modified with lowered suspension from LMC parts, giving it a sportier stance. While not in perfect condition, it represents a well-preserved vintage pickup that still carries its authentic character. Running on gasoline, this C10 stands ready for its next chapter with a new owner who can appreciate both its originality and its history. Number 8. 1977 Ford F150, price $8,000. This truck shows 57,000 miles on the odometer, though it's possible the actual mileage is closer to 157,000. Finished in classic red inside and out, it carries a timeless look with an awesome patina that gives it plenty of character. Under the hood sits a dependable straight-six engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, better known as the 3 on the tree. Despite its age, the truck starts up with ease, runs smoothly, drives strong, and brakes as it should. The interior has been refreshed with newer materials, and it also rides on newer tires, making it more comfortable and road-ready. While the radio, HVAC system, and driver's side door handle are currently inoperative, the overall condition reflects a truck that has been kept alive and functional for decades. Running on gasoline, this classic F-150 remains a piece of American truck history with plenty of charm and practicality. Number 9. 1983 GMC 1500, price $5,000, equipped with a 6.2L diesel engine paired to a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Finished in its original black exterior with a burgundy interior, the truck presents a straight body with no accidents in its history. The cab corners, rocker panels, cab floor, and bed are all solid, showing how well it has been preserved. Remarkably, the original black paint and even wax pencil markings from the assembly line can still be seen on the frame. Recent maintenance includes a completely new brake system with all components replaced, brand new tires, new AC Delco glow plugs, Bosch injectors, and a freshly rebuilt Stanodyne injector pump, serviced by Accurate Diesel. Number 10. 1962 GMC Sierra 2500, price $7,000. This is a classic truck with plenty of character. It comes finished in a striking blue exterior paired with a black interior. Under the hood, it's powered by a dependable 350 gas motor matched to a 4-speed manual transmission, giving it that raw, old-school driving feel. The truck has been lifted and sits boldly on 37-inch tires, enhancing both its stance and road presence. Despite its age, it runs and drives well, making it a solid foundation for someone who appreciates vintage GMC trucks. While it does need some body and interior work, the Sierra 2500 offers the perfect blend of power, style, and potential for restoration.